Hey guys, Jim from Blackbridge here, and today I'm going to be showing you this project we've been doing for a bit. We've been prepping this D90 frame for basically all repaint, redoing everything, all new bushings, brake lines, fuel lines, you name it, everything. So first we had to power wash this complete frame, then we had to tear it apart to the state it is now, and soon we'll be sandblasting the whole frame in the outside, and then same with the rear end. And then I'll be showing you guys some sandblasting some smaller pieces on the small sandblaster we have. And what this does is basically tear down the material on like a piece of metal all the way down to the bare surface. So you get rid of all the rust, all the paint and everything else. So this machine does pretty good at it. And I'm going to show you guys how it works right now. All right, now we're in the booth and we're gonna be sandblasting this frame. This is what we use for our bigger pieces instead of the smaller sandblaster, which is for the smaller pieces. And we're gonna start knocking this out. All right, now that we finished sandblasting, we're gonna bring this truck in for primer and paint, and we're also gonna finish painting the small pieces in the rear end. And then we're gonna put this baby back together. All right, there you guys have it. We have finished this frame and we have completely removed all the rust from it and painted it a nice semi-gloss black, and now it looks completely brand new. Thank you guys for watching. Check us out on YouTube, like and subscribe.